Basic science drives the really big discoveries, changing our conceptualization about physics, biology, about chemistry, geoscience. Those paradigm changes are what really drives innovation. Hi, I'm Steve Kahn. I'm the Dean of Mathematical and Physical Sciences here at UC Berkeley and a professor in both the physics department and the astronomy department. Today, I've been challenged to do the 101 of basic science in 101 seconds. So let's go. Basic science is curiosity-driven science, a kind of research program that we pursue just because we're curious about the nature of the world around us. As we make new discoveries, we develop new questions. A great example is the development of quantum mechanics. Initially, this was primarily a philosophical or physics-oriented discovery. One of the predictions of quantum mechanics is that you can make coherent, highly collimated light. Today, we use lasers extensively in medical research. Lasers form the basis of most of our instruments that make precision measurements. The invention of the laser leads to a whole series of applications, kind of like a tree blossoming out. So at Berkeley, of course, it's always been the culture of this university to ask the big questions. It's where many of the paradigm-changing experiments were conceived, carried out, and the results were analyzed. Basic science can be distinguished from what's sometimes called use-inspired science or translational research. Obviously, the two are connected, and basic science does feed translational science. What we've learned over the generations is that attempt to predict what's a useful investigation has not been very successful. Some of what might have been perceived as the most useless kinds of research have actually been the ones that led to major breakthroughs. So some people may ask, why should the government pay for that? Well, it's been crucial to the development of civilization because that's where the really significant discoveries come from. Times are challenged now. There are federal cutbacks in basic science funding. We're going to have to weather that storm, but I think it's part of what it means to be human. And Berkeley will continue to be at the core of it.